Hi guys, today's recipe is this Khira Manda or a Modak recipe which is made specially in Odisha on Ganesh Chaturthi. Before we start, please hit the subscribe button. This is my mom's recipe and a variation of the traditional Modak made on Ganesh Chaturthi. So do enjoy this recipe and make it this Ganesh Puja and feed it to your family and friends. So first let's make the stuffing. So we need some coconut, jaggery and some dry fruits, some cardamom and some pepper powder for the stuffing. So the first step is in a heated pan we will add, this is around half a coconut, we'll add half a coconut grated and some jaggery. You can also use grated jaggery, some dry fruits, any dry fruits of your choice, then cardamom powder and some pepper powder. So keep stirring it till the jaggery melts and the ghee and jaggery look like this. Now the stuffing is ready. This will take around 4 to 5 minutes till the coconut and jaggery is cooked together. So once the stuffing is ready, keep it aside. In a big bowl, take a cup of rice flour, a pinch of salt and add it with water and mix it very well. So we have to ensure that there are no lumps here. So this is an instant method of preparing this Khira Manda, which is an Odia recipe or a variation of Modak. Traditionally it is done by soaking rice and grinding it, but I always do something which is easy and instant. So just mix it well so that there are no lumps. And then once this is ready, our stuffing is ready, we have to keep this aside. It should come to a consistency like this, not thick but not very watery. In a deep pan, take 2 cups of milk. The ratio to rice flour and milk is double. So for 1 cup of rice flour, 2 cups of milk, and add a pinch of salt and let it warm a bit. Keep stirring it so that the milk does not stick to the bottom. Keep a non-stick pan or a big non-stick pot. I am using a non-stick pressure cooker here because the mixture which we are going to make might be sticky. So I have a lot of memories associated with this recipe or this item, and when the milk is heated, you can add the rice flour paste which we had made, and you have to keep stirring continuously after this because the mixture will now start thickening. This is the most important step of the process to prepare this dough in a nice and soft manner. So I was sharing a story about this recipe, the memories I have. I never knew Modak is a variation of the original Manda we eat in Odisha. So when I traveled to Maharashtra, I just tasted this Modak and I came to know that it is the same thing in a different shape. So I'll make it in the traditional Odia shape, which is which we do it known for Manda Pitha rather than Modak, but it is as per your choice that you can make it into a Modak shape as well. It will taste equally good. And you see now the rice and milk are mixing together and thickening up. At this point, vigorously mix this dough, and you see it will be leaving from the sides. That's why I tell we should take a non-stick vessel. You see it has completely become like a dough, completely thick. So once it attains this structure, transfer it to a plate and let it cool. So knead it for few minutes, and the sign of a good dough is it should not stick to your hands. Now we will shape the modaks or the manda that we are making. And the first thing is that you take a ball and make a katori like structure. I am very bad at it, so my mom is doing it for me. So just make a katori like structure the similar way we make for parathas and we stuff the aloo paratha, and then into this katori put the stuffing that we had already prepared and kept it aside, and then seal the edges, cover it from all the sides. So at this point you can also see it is automatically becoming a modak shape, and we like to roll it into roundels or round balls like this. So repeat the same process. So one more modak in the making and seal it again properly. So it requires some amount of practice and patience to be able to attain a good shape. So I'm slowly learning this art, but nevertheless, irrespective of the shape, these modaks or this variation of modaks, or as we say khira monda, is going to taste heavenly and awesome. I'm sure you are going to try this recipe. And while we are doing this, let some water boil in a steamer and then put it into a idli stand, or if you have any other steamer, and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Modaks are ready. I'm sure you are going to enjoy this recipe. Do let me know in the comments box.